Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best handheld vacuums of 2025, top 5 picks tested. I've put each vacuum through real-world cleaning tests to find the most powerful, lightweight, and convenient options for your home, car, and more. From strong suction and easy-to-empty designs to long battery life and versatile attachments, we'll help you find the perfect handheld vacuum to make quick cleanups. On number 1 is the Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Fur Buster, HHVK 515JP07, is a compact cordless handheld vacuum designed for quick cleanups at home and in the car, especially for pet hair. It delivers strong suction for its size, making it effective on couches, stairs, car seats, and small messes. The included pet brush helps lift stubborn hair from upholstery and fabric surfaces. Its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to grab and use without setup hassle. The washable bowl and filter simplify maintenance and reduce ongoing costs. In real-world use, it's excellent for spot cleaning, though not meant for large floor areas. Pros: powerful suction for a handheld, effective pet hair brush, cordless convenience, lightweight and portable, easy-to-clean filter. Cons: limited runtime, small dust bowl needs frequent emptying, not suitable for deep or whole home cleaning, and suction drops as the battery drains. Charging takes some time between uses. Overall, it's a reliable, pet-friendly handheld vacuum ideal for quick cleanups, cars, and furniture, but best used as a supplement to a full-size vacuum. On number 2 is the Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus is a cordless handheld vacuum built for powerful pickup of dirt, debris, and pet hair on floors, furniture, stairs, and in the car. Its strong suction and pet power brush make short work of embedded hair and ground-in messes that many handhelds struggle with. The XL dust cup holds more dirt between empties, reducing how often you need to stop and dump the bin. It also comes with a crevice tool and scrubbing brush, adding versatility for tight spaces and textured surfaces. In real-world use, it feels well-balanced and easy to maneuver, with intuitive one-hand operation. Pros: powerful suction for a handheld, excellent pet hair pickup, generous dust cup, versatile attachments, and cordless freedom. Cons: battery life is moderate, shorter on max power, it's pricier than basic handhelds, and the dust cup still fills faster with heavy pet hair. Some users may find the filters need frequent cleaning to maintain peak suction. Overall, it's a great choice for pet owners and quick cleanups around the home and car, but not a replacement for a full-size vacuum for deep, whole-house cleaning. On number 3 is the DeWalt 20V Handheld Vacuum, DCV501HB, is a compact, cordless shop-style vacuum designed for quick pickups in the car, workshop, or around the house using a 20V battery, sold separately. Its HEPA filter helps trap fine dust and allergens, making it useful for both workshop debris and everyday messes. The included 6 attachments, including a crevice tool, brush, and extension, add versatility for tight spaces, upholstery, and detailed cleaning. The built-in LED light helps illuminate dark corners under seats, shelves, or in the garage. In real-world use, it handles dry debris, sawdust, dirt, and small particles effectively, though it's not designed for wet pickup. Pros: powerful for a handheld, HEPA filtration, multiple useful attachments, LED light for visibility, and rugged construction. Cons: battery not included, so total cost increases. Runtime depends on the battery you choose. The dust cup is modest in size and needs frequent emptying, and it's dry only. Suction is great for workshop and car debris but less refined for delicate upholstery compared with softer pet hair tools. Overall, it's a solid, high-performance cordless handheld vacuum, especially for workshop, garage, and automotive use, but not ideal as a full substitute for a dedicated home/soft surface cleaner. On number 4 is the Aspirin Cordless Handheld Vacuum delivers 24 kPa strong suction in a compact, portable design that's great for quick cleanups in cars, homes, and on furniture. Its 2 speed settings let you choose between normal and high-power cleaning depending on the mess. The vacuum supports 2 charging methods, including a wireless charger, which adds convenience and flexibility. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods without hand fatigue. In real-world use, it handles dust, crumbs, and light debris well, though very heavy or deep embedded dirt may take extra passes. Pros: powerful suction for its size, portable and lightweight, 2-speed control, ergonomic design, and flexible charging options, including wireless. Cons: small dust cup requires frequent emptying, runtime is limited on high power, wireless charging can be slower than a cable, and attachments are basic or minimal. It's not ideal as a sole whole home vacuum but excels at spot and car cleaning. Overall, it's a solid, user-friendly handheld vacuum that's especially handy for on-the-go cleaning, cars, and quick messes. On number 5 is the Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean, CHV1410L, is a cordless handheld vacuum designed for quick cleanups around the home and in the car. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to grab and use for everyday messes without hassle. The large dust bowl holds more debris than many handhelds, so you empty it less often. A rotating nozzle increases reach and flexibility, helping you clean awkward areas more effectively. The included crevice tool is useful for tight spots and edges. In real-world use it handles crumbs, dust, pet hair, and small debris well, making quick cleanup simple. Pros: lightweight and portable, large dust bowl, rotating nozzle for flexible cleaning, cordless convenience, and easy operation. Cons: suction is adequate but not as powerful as larger vacuums, battery runtime is limited, and it's best suited for spot cleaning rather than whole home deep cleaning. Filters require periodic cleaning to maintain performance. Overall, it's a practical choice for quick jobs and car interiors, but not a replacement for a full-size vacuum.